Dear self, there is nothing left for you in the past. One of many mistakes you'll make in life is bathing under the sunshine of the past, where love songs and tender voices echoes inside your ear without even realizing you're stuck inside a drawn world, a world that only you know exists. I think you should pull yourself out of this trance and just accept they are never coming back in your life. They don't want to have anything to do with you. They feel they're better off without you. Just move on from the past because there's nothing left for you there. If you're looking for a painful reminder, this is it. Save and share this video to a friend, else get the Dear Self book.